So I got it finally. And we are going to maiden it. The weather's supposed to change. It's pretty early in the morning right now. But we're going to go work with the dogs, and then I'm going to come back. I'm already kind of nervous. But for me, it's going to be like 2.5, 3 hours. For you, it's going to be like... And we're back. It's pretty calm. So we're not going to do an unboxing, because obviously it's unboxed. Look at it. So it came with a light, which is cool. And I have a couple extra lights and batteries now, including this one. See, this is a good, that one from the Lost Huey, right? It had a battery in it. This one was my extra, and it had a light. So I painted it orange. So now we get you. So yeah, no helicopter. New batteries in the controller. And so what I've seen is a lot of guys selling these helicopters, but I don't know about, owning them and flying them, but here's me. I own one now, and I fly. So when you put the stabilizers on, you can't put it back in the case, which is a lot with a lot of these helicopters is that way. Once you assemble it, now you can't put it back in the case. So instead of just never using this case, I'm just cutting this foam. It's just this foam. I'm cutting it out. I already cut a little piece out. It'll fit fine. Just cut the foam. It's whatever. There we go. All right. There's my unboxing. Alright, so I'll put this camera on my head here in a second, but just look at it, it's beautiful, right? Okay, so it's just like the Huey I used to have, except for it's been updated, or upgraded with brushless motors, and cool, look at the cool metal and all that, and it's just, and look, it's beautiful, right? So, let's fly it, man. Here's the controller. And it's the first time. Let's give it a shot. Oh, I'm not going to fly from this elevated position. I'm going to fly from the ground. And I got to set the GPS and all that. I'm not going to video all that because you can just watch that. Well, we'll be flying here in just a sec. We got to make sure our blades are locked. Okay. Proper controller. There you go. I have this lanyard on me right now, but I don't know if you can see the screen. A lot of times it's hard to see the screen. But it's like a drone, basically. Give you the same information as a drone. All right, let's go. Easy, buddy. Hang on now. Say we have like 12 satellites. Okay. Alright, high rate, let's go. Breeze coming up here. Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, I think you should buy one. Oh my gosh, it's awesome!